Unpacking and assembling Rice Lake's 150-10-5 digital physician scale is quick and easy. During this process, be sure not to discard any packaging material. If the scale needs to be returned for any reason, it must be properly repacked in its original carton. Place the unopened box in an open area with ample room. Carefully remove the scale from its packaging material. Lift by the scale base to avoid damage. Thread excess cable through the lower column to eliminate possible pinching during installation. Place the lower column on the base, making sure not to pinch the cable. Insert the screws through the bottom of the scale base to secure the column. Attach wheels to the wheel assembly rod. Attach the wheel assembly to the scale with a screw. Tighten securely. Ensure the cable is extending through the top of the lower column. Plug the cable from the lower column into the upper column. Place the upper column onto the lower column, aligning the screw holes. Once again, ensure the cable does not get pinched. Secure with 2 screws. Use a level bubble to check for level. Adjust feet as needed to achieve level. To install the height rod, connect the 2 height rod pieces together. Position the assembled height rod at the top of the column and slide it into the slot located on the front of the scale. Plug the AC adapter into the back of the indicator. Connect to power to begin weighing. The 150-10-5 digital physician scale is also capable of running on AA batteries if a power source is not available. Inserting batteries. Open the battery chamber cover by loosening the thumb screw. Insert 6 AA batteries in the correct orientation. This will provide approximately 25 hours of continuous use. Close the battery chamber cover and tighten the thumb screw. Your scale is now ready to use. Please refer to the manual for operation instructions.